Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of image in Instagram. So in this video, I will show you how to generate this type of image in ChatGPT using a prompt. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to generate it. So for this, open your ChatGPT and upload your face image or any image you have, and you have to paste this prompt. So I will tell you how to get this prompt, and after you will paste this prompt, you will see the image is generated. It will be generated in this way. Okay, and here you can see the prompt, or you can go to my Instagram profile and you can message me Dhoni. I will send you a Dhoni prompt that you can use it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.